As you can see, the telephone cable got twisted around all over the place, back and forth. And it's broken. Ah, cool, it's broken. And the limb is, I said in an earlier Facebook post, 4 inches. It's more like 6 to 8 inches here. A few shingles on the ground. That pile over there was already there, so that's not new. Up on the roof, you can see the one limb hanging up there and some shingles missing. Otherwise, not too bad. Notice the neighbors have a limb laying on their roof. That was pre-existing. The tree, you can see the one broken place up there really high. So it doesn't look too bad. As I walk around the front of the house, I don't see much damage at all. A few limbs here and there. The roof looks fine. No punch holes. On the ground we have limbs. Another piece of limb. The neighbor has a limb hanging from the power line. All in all, not too bad.